Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study the night before an AP exam. First, identify your weakest areas and focus your review there. Quickly skim through your class notes and any study guides you've created, paying special attention to concepts you've previously highlighted. It's crucial to resist the urge to learn entirely new topics. Instead, reinforce what you already know. This focused approach maximizes your limited time and builds confidence for the exam. Now let's talk about effective techniques. Engage in active recall by testing yourself on definitions, theories, or important events. Try explaining difficult concepts aloud or writing them down in a simplified way to solidify your understanding. For subjects like math or science, quickly review essential formulas. For history or literature, refresh your memory on key dates, figures, or literary devices. This active engagement is far more beneficial than passive reading. Beyond academics, your well-being is paramount. Aim for a solid 7 to 8 hours of sleep to ensure your brain is rested and ready for peak performance. Lay out your exam day necessities, like pencils, calculators, and your admission ticket, so you aren't scrambling in the morning. Also, eat a nutritious, balanced dinner. Avoid heavy or sugary foods that might disrupt your sleep or energy levels. A calm mind and body are your best assets. On exam day, wake up with enough time to have a light, healthy breakfast and mentally prepare. Arrive at the testing location well in advance to avoid any last-minute stress or unexpected delays. Take a few deep breaths before the exam begins to calm your nerves and focus your mind. Remember, you've put in the work, and now it's time to show what you know. Also, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.